All right, so we are in Nashua today where they are hosting their annual summer camp at Nashua Community College. We're gonna check out all the things that they have going on with these summer campers, but we're also gonna tell them all about the auto trade, the different things going on with that, and play some games with the kids. Let's go check it out. So we offer you scholarships if you come to one of these 5 programs when you graduate high school.
These past 2 weeks, we've had summer camp here at Nashua Community College, doing various aspects of the vehicle, starting from basic maintenance, tires, electrical, taking out our electric vehicle for rides, giving students an idea of how electric vehicles work.
I like getting to drive around in the EV. A lot of students come in with this idea that electric cars are bad and gas cars are good, and getting to drive around in that car really changes a lot of their mind. It's very fun, it's fast, getting to do burnouts, they love that stuff.
My favorite activity to do with the campers, I think, is the welding. It's fun to see them make some sparks, make something out of it, just have some fun with it and doing things that they just don't get a chance to do. Making sparks and melting metal.